Hello, Keelers, and welcome back to Epic World Projects. Another huge day of progress has unfolded at Spotify Camp Nou, and the transformation is becoming more impressive with every visit. The compression ring continues expanding at remarkable speed. Major structural work is advancing across multiple sectors, and several key areas are now entering their next phase of construction. So stick around because some sections are changing faster than expected. Let's get straight into today's update. The compression ring continues to dominate construction at Spotify Camp Nou, with progress accelerating at an impressive pace over the past few weeks. New XXL segments have been installed in both the Gol Sud and Gol Norte sectors. As construction advances toward the Tribuna side, the structure is becoming harder to view from the usual observation point. But once work reaches that area, much closer views of this major roof support milestone will be possible. Work remains active across the second cantilever, where several structural tasks continue away from public view. Concrete blocks, reinforcing bars, and additional construction materials have been prepared for upcoming wall sections. Construction also remains busy along the stadium's lateral side, with elevated platforms operating across both cantilever levels. While the first cantilever appears quieter than other areas, workers continue transporting materials, preparing work zones, and carrying out structural finishing. These ongoing preparations indicate that additional installations will soon begin throughout this section. Facade enclosure work continues steadily as more sandwich panels are installed along the first cantilever. Several panels have already been secured, while the remaining gaps are being prepared for installation. Using vacuum lifting equipment, crews carefully position each panel before permanently fixing it into place, bringing another section of the stadium closer to full enclosure. Facade installation has resumed in the Gol Sud sector after a temporary opening was left around a hydraulic piston to allow mechanical work. With that phase now largely complete, workers have started installing the missing slats to close the remaining gap. This marks another important step toward completing the stadium's exterior facade. Crews continue preparing another facade section by aligning brackets and checking anchor points before new slats are installed. Most of the supports now appear ready, with only a few diagonal connection points still requiring final adjustments. Once these inspections are complete, facade installation is expected to continue across this section. Another noticeable improvement is the newly completed concrete surface along the lateral side of the stadium. This fresh layer provides a stable foundation for upcoming construction activities and prepares the area for future structural work. Although less visible than the compression ring, these ground-level developments remain an important part of the project's overall progress. One of the diamond-shaped auxiliary buildings has reached another major construction milestone. The concrete walls now appear largely complete, allowing crews to begin preparing the upper floor system. Formwork panels are being installed across the structure, creating the base for reinforcing steel before the next concrete pour takes place. Nearby, the second diamond-shaped building is following the same construction sequence. Formwork panels are gradually being installed across the upper structure, making its distinctive diamond shape increasingly visible. Although it remains slightly behind the first building, progress continues steadily as crews prepare for reinforcement and slab construction. At the corner section of the stadium, workers continue inspecting recently installed facade slats to ensure every fixing is properly secured. Tightening connections and checking alignment may seem like routine work, but these inspections are essential for guaranteeing the durability, safety, and long-term performance of the new exterior facade. Construction also continues around the mobility core, where crews are applying protective coatings to exposed steel beams, while other finishing tasks progress on elevated platforms. Safety nets beneath the cantilevers have also been moved forward as new utility pipes are installed below the structure, providing additional protection for workers throughout this important phase of construction. As the tour reaches the Gol Norte side, the rapid expansion of the compression ring becomes even more impressive. From this angle, the newest XXL segments can be seen stretching much farther around the stadium, as crews secure newly installed sections by fastening structural bolts and completing the final connections. Every new segment extends one of the most important load-bearing structures of the future roof, bringing the project another step closer to its next major milestone. One of the most significant observations from the Norte corner is the tower crane itself. After months of lifting massive compression ring segments, radial beams, and support columns into place, the crane has nearly reached the end of its working range. Only enough reach appears to remain for one final radial beam, one support pillar, and another compression ring segment before operations shift toward the Tribuna side. Attention then returns to the advanced diamond-shaped auxiliary building, where reinforcing steel continues to spread across the newly prepared floor system. Every visit reveals additional layers of reinforcement, demonstrating the steady transition from structural walls toward complete floor construction. Only a few temporary support frames remain beneath the slab, indicating that this phase is approaching completion. Nearby, workers continue preparing another large facade section for the arrival of new slats. Elevated platforms remain positioned along the first cantilever as crews carefully inspect brackets, tighten anchor points, and verify every fixing before installation begins. With most of the supporting infrastructure already in place, visible facade expansion could begin here in the coming days. As construction gradually advances toward the Tribuna side, preparations are already well underway for the next major phase. Multiple lifting frames, temporary supports, radial beams, and structural columns have been assembled and stored throughout the area, ready for installation once the compression ring reaches this section. The transition toward Tribuna will allow construction teams to maintain the same rapid installation pace. Across the Tribuna area, elevated work platforms remain busy as crews apply protective coatings and carry out finishing work on exposed steel members. Some workers focus on painting structural beams, while others apply protective sealing materials around important steel connections. These finishing operations prepare the steel framework for the next stages of construction. Another important development can be seen near the Tribuna corner, where facade support brackets are now being reinstalled. These supports had previously been removed to allow access for other construction activities, but are now gradually returning to their original positions. Their reinstallation strongly suggests that facade work will soon resume in this area. Away from the upper structure, progress also continues at ground level. Construction teams remain active around mobility cores, internal circulation areas, and utility installations, while previously completed work provides a solid foundation for future phases. These improvements remain essential for transforming the structural framework into a fully functional stadium. With every visit, Spotify Camp Nou looks noticeably different. The compression ring continues expanding at an impressive pace. Facade installation is steadily progressing across multiple sectors, and the diamond-shaped auxiliary buildings are advancing through new structural phases. As work prepares to shift toward the Tribuna sector, the coming weeks promise even more dramatic changes, bringing FC Barcelona's future home one step closer to its final form.